Have you ever underestimated the humble pear? I used to walk past them in the grocery store, thinking, hey, apples get all the glory, but wow, was I missing out? So let's talk about why pears deserve a spot in your fruit bowl and a place in your daily routine. First off, pears are loaded with fiber. You know what that means? Happy gut, steady energy, and yes, regular trips to the bathroom. One medium pear gives you about 20% of your daily fiber needs, plus they're packed with vitamin C, which is like a little shield for your immune system. And the antioxidants. They help your cells fight off stress and keep you glowing from the inside out. Now, I know what you're thinking, how do I eat more pears without getting bored? Here's my go-to. Slice up a pear, sprinkle on a dash of cinnamon, and roast it in the oven till it's caramelized and golden. It's like dessert, but good for you. Or if you're in a rush, chop up some pear and toss it into your morning oatmeal. It adds a juicy sweetness that makes breakfast feel special. Feeling fancy? Try a salad with arugula, walnuts, crumbled feta, and sliced pears. Drizzle with balsamic glaze and thank me later. Pears are super versatile. They blend right into smoothies, top off pancakes, or even add crunch to grain bowls. And the best part, they're naturally sweet, so you satisfy your cravings without loading up on added sugar. For more healthy diets tips, kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel.